So this is the data we're going to be looking at. The number of blue shirts, red shirts, yellow shirts, and green shirts sold by two different shops. To get started, we have to import the data. Change this option to Attribute over Entity Automatic. Now press the Enter Data button and select the file you want using the file browser. When you import your data, check the index for each attribute and entity. Click on the Action menu, go down and click on Search Data Index. Change this to Attributes and Update. You can see that blue shirt has an index of 0, red shirt has an index of 1, yellow shirt has an index of 2, and green shirt has an index of 3. So it's blue, red, yellow, green. Open up the color panel. Make sure this is blue, this is red, this is yellow, and this is green. Now open up the start bar chart. Click on this top button here and make sure this is set to attribute base because we want to compare the attributes. Now press this button twice to add two different stacks. We want to add blue shirt to stack 0, and we want to add red to stack 1, yellow to stack 1, and green to stack 1. Now you can see the combined value for the blue shirts is more than the combined value for the red shirts, yellow shirts, and green shirts. If we want to see the data specific for a particular shop, we can go down here to Local and select Shop A. Come up here and press the Reset Scale button. And now we are seeing the data for Shop A. And we can see that in Shop A, the blue shirts alone are more than green, yellow, and red combined. We can check for Shop B and reset scale. We can see that this is not the case for Shop B, as the combined values for green shirts, yellow shirts, and red shirts are more than the value for blue shirts. We can change the scale of this graph by clicking on Actions, Project Settings. Under the Number Format section, we can go to Max Number Type and change this to Auto Scale Graph. What this will do is scale the graph to 100 so that we do not have decimal places here. We can also remove the decimal places, and right here we can change the maximum number to any number we want. So we can set this to 120, then change max number type to custom scale. We can also hide this panel here by toggling off the Show Stack checkbox.